If your Pixel phone refuses to respond when you say, "Hey Google," you are not alone. A growing number of Pixel users, including people on the latest Pixel 10 Pro, have reported that Google Assistant or Gemini simply does not open when triggered by voice. The good news is that there is a fix, and it has already helped several users get everything working again. This issue recently came to light after a Pixel 10 Pro user shared their experience online. They had just switched from an iPhone to a Pixel and noticed that no matter what they tried saying, "Hey Google," did absolutely nothing. On Pixel phones, you can choose between Google Assistant and Gemini as your digital assistant, and in this case, neither of them would respond to the hot word. For those who may not know, Gemini is Google's newer AI-powered assistant. It gives deeper and more detailed answers than Google Assistant and can also handle tasks like setting alarms and timers, as long as your Pixel is running Android 10 or newer. Google originally planned to fully replace Google Assistant by the end of 2025, but that plan was delayed. Google Assistant is now expected to stick around until sometime in 2026, after which Gemini will fully take over. Back to the problem. The Pixel 10 Pro user tried almost everything you would normally think of. They restarted the phone multiple times. They switched from Gemini to Google Assistant and back again, restarting the phone in between. They cleared the Google Apps cache and data, although Gemini did not even allow cache clearing in some cases. They uninstalled Google App Updates, which partially worked but caused other problems. They booted into safe mode, retrained voice match, and followed nearly every suggestion they could find on forums and Reddit. None of it worked. What finally fixed the issue was a very specific set of settings buried deep inside the phone. Once these settings were enabled, the "Hey Google" hot word started working again instantly. Here is what worked. First, open the Settings app on your Pixel phone. At the very top, tap your name, where it says Google Services and Preferences underneath. Next, tap on All Services in the tab below your email address. Scroll down until you find Settings for Google App and tap on it. From there, tap Search, Assistant and Voice. Then tap on Gemini. Inside the Gemini settings, you will see two important options. Enable Talk to Gemini hands-free. Then enable Gemini on lock screen. Once both of these are turned on, try saying, "Hey Google," or "Hello Google." Again, for many users, this instantly brings the assistant back to life. Interestingly, this fix is not limited to the Pixel 10 series. One Reddit user said the same steps fixed the problem on their Pixel 8 Pro after voice activation suddenly stopped working. Another Pixel user reported having the issue just days earlier and confirmed that enabling these settings solved it for them as well. This suggests the problem is not hardware-related, but rather a software or settings issue that can appear after updates, phone migrations, or switching assistants. With Google planning to fully phase out Google Assistant in favor of Gemini in 2026, it is probably a good idea to get comfortable using Gemini now. Gemini has access to a much broader knowledge base and can provide more detailed answers than Google Assistant. While it does occasionally make mistakes, many users find it to be a clear upgrade overall. You can also install the Gemini app directly from the Google Play Store. If Gemini is already set as your assistant and the app is installed, you can open the app and use voice commands inside it. For example, you can open Gemini and say, "Set a timer for 10 minutes," or "Set an alarm for 7 a.m., and it will work just like the hot word activation. If your Pixel suddenly stops responding to, "Hey Google," do not panic or assume something is broken. The solution may simply be hidden in a menu you never thought to check. Bookmark these steps or save them somewhere, because as Google continues to transition from Google Assistant to Gemini, more users may run into this exact issue. Sometimes, all it takes is flipping the right switches to bring your digital assistant back to life.